Yellowstone Supervolcano activity in the Old Faithful Geyser area of the Upper Geyser Basin, and we're going to see some live footage. You'll see the Upper Geyser Basin, then the Old Faithful eruption, and the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory monthly update that came out a few days ago, the latest one on USGS. August was a very busy season for visitors in Yellowstone. They said the most geological work during the month happened in the lab and office, with Yellowstone Volcano Observatory scientists analyzing data collected during the first few months of the summer. One exception was work on Yellowstone Lake. The lake sits on top of the magma chamber, the roof of the magma chamber. Now, the scientists collected data for the first area of Yellowstone Lake, where geologists collected core samples of the lake bottom that will help them identify and understand past hydrothermal explosions, the deposits of which are preserved as distinct layers in the sediments that make up the lake floor. Steamboat Geyser did not erupt during the month of August, and the total number of eruptions for the year remained at 13. The time between major steamboat water eruptions is lengthening, which probably indicates that the geyser is entering a period of quiescence. Kindly support my Patreon account, since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. So this type of behavior at Steamboat Geyser, with the geyser experiencing few year periods of frequent eruptions separated by years to decades of very few eruptions. The most recent eruption of Steamboat Geyser was July 8. In mid-late August, the sequence of minor eruptions started at the geyser, and these usually precede major water eruptions, so the show is probably not quite over yet. As far as seismicity, the earthquakes, during August 2021, the University of Utah seismograph stations responsible for the operation and analysis of Yellowstone seismic network located 97 earthquakes in the Yellowstone National Park region. It's a sharp decrease after more than 1,000 events were located during the months of July. The largest event of the past month was a minor earthquake of magnitude 3.1. It was 12 miles northeast of Yellowstone, in Montana, August 20th at 11 a.m. Although there was some minor ongoing seismicity that continued from July's energetic swarm beneath Yellowstone Lake, no swarm activity was observed in August. Yellowstone earthquake activity returns to background levels. Now, the ground deformation, what's happening as far as the magma inflation there? Subsidence of Yellowstone caldera, which has been ongoing since 2015, has paused during the summer months, reflecting seasonal groundwater recharge. Every summer, water from snow melts causes the ground to swell slightly, resulting in a pause in subsidence trends, or even a minor amount of uplift, less than a centimeter or a fraction of an inch. The area of the Norris Geyser Basin, no significant uplift or subsidence has been detected by the nearby GPS station since the start of 2020. An example of GPS data can be found at the UNAVCO sites. Now, the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, YVO, provides the long-term monitoring of the volcanic and earthquake activity in the Yellowstone National Park region. Yellowstone is the site of the largest and most diverse collection of natural thermal features in the world, and the first national park. YVO is one of the 5 USGS volcano observatories that monitor volcanoes with the United States for science and public safety. Now, we know that Yellowstone is a supervolcano, one of the 21 or 22 of the world. It has 60% of the world's geysers and over 10,000 hydrothermal areas. Now, this is the eruption of Old Faithful. Unfortunately, the camera was not very good because it gets stuck at certain points. From what I see here, this eruption of Old Faithful Geyser was not very strong. It was not very strong, and that happens sometimes. I'll leave links below for you for this. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support.